Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate Messenger account. So let me tell you, Facebook and Messenger are made by the Meta company and they are both the apps. They are both same apps and interconnected. So basically, if you use the Facebook in the web or in your PC or laptop, you will see you don't need any Messenger kind of application, right? You can just reply or text with your friends over the Facebook mobile application. You don't need the Messenger, but in the phone you need a messenger. So if you want to delete messenger account, basically you have to delete your Facebook mobile application. So just open your Facebook mobile application here, and after that on the top right side corner you will see the three horizontal lines. Just click on there, and after that you will reach here. Then you can just go to the settings from here. Otherwise you can go from the settings and privacy from here, then just click on setting. Okay, and after that you have to just go to the access and control. Click on there and it will load for a few seconds. So we will just go there once again, right, because it happened. And here you have to click on access and control, and here you have to just get the second option that is called deactivation and deletion. So just click on that, and after that you have to delete your account permanently. Then you can select this one, otherwise you have to select the deactivate. Then click on continue. Again you have to click on continue guys, and here it will take a very few seconds. So you can just reload your page, and if you enter the password here and if you press the continue, your account will be deactivated, right? And to reactivate your account, you have to do nothing. You have to just log in into your Facebook account. That's it. Your account will be reactivated. In this way your messenger account will also get deactivated. So this is it guys. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.